Kia ora, welcome to my happy place. If you like today's video, please give me a thumbs up, leave a comment so I know that you've been, don't be shy, and please enjoy. I'm running a little bit late, but it is Willie Steph's Art Club little journal pages again, and this fortnight's prompt is nature. So last fortnight's was summer, and this one is going to be nature. Now this is going to be a pretty quick one, I think, and I'm going to be using my distress oxides, hopefully, and we're just going to get some nice sky going on here, I think. Quite liking that. Maybe a little bit darker over here, but I don't want it all to be one colour. It's a little bit like sky, I think. Now let me see if I've got another blue here. I just put a little bit of that on it. I can find just a little bit bluer. I just want to put a little bit of that around. Yeah, I'm okay with that. Move that out of the road. And now I'm going to give it a little bit of a spray, and we'll be back when that is dry. Right, we're back, and that's what it's looking like, and I'm quite liking that actually. Excuse me. Now, it's going to be a very simple page, I think. I've got this lovely tree cut out that is going to go there. To me, nature is trees. So this is what we're going to be doing. I want to rip it. Excuse me. I was all set to come on and do videos, and my son arrived. So that was a couple of hours gone. I'm liking that. I think that looks really cool. And now I have got, where is it? I have got a couple of little birdies here, which I think is nature as well. And I'm going to so let me see which way they go. Right, that's upside down. I'll turn you around. Very cool. Right, I think these are just going to go like that. Now I don't know if this will work. I've never done it just with ink before, but I know lots of people do, so I'm going to try that. Just get a little brush here, make sure I'm not too messed about. I can't see very well, so let's see how this goes. Lovely. Now I don't know if the wings have got much on them, but hey, I'm liking that. Right, now I think I will try just the embossing. And see how that goes. I'm going to put another one down here. And just see how that goes. Oops. Right. Now, that did not go as well as the top one, so I think we're going to go back to the top. So at least if it gets done. Now, I don't know how good I will be at putting that exactly there, but we are going to give it a try. Right, now we're going to do that a little bit more. See how we go. Well, it embossed better, but its wings look a bit weird, but never mind. I'm okay with that. Right, now, got another little one over here. Gonna have a go at. Right, which way are you going to go? You might have to put a little bit of something on there to hold that on. So this one here is a swallow, I think. Right. Right, now I'm just going to hold it over here. It came out a lot better. Well, I don't know if it did actually. It's a little bit manky. Not very happy with that at all. But we're going to do one more. You up that way, and let's see if we can get a bit of this on it. That there is very manky, and I'm not happy with that at all, and I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do with it, but I'm going to put something over it. So I will be back. Right, I'm back, and without doing a whole new page, I'm going to cheat and put a word over it just to cover up that manky bird, because I don't like it. It is way out of shape and it will irritate me, and I don't think this will irritate me as much, a word being over it. Too much glue there, but never mind. And I'm just going to put that there like that, just to cover the manky bit, which is a big cheat, but hey, I'm okay with that. It's a pretty simple page, but I think that's what these little journals are meant to be, just a little simple page. And I'm going to put a nice little, oops, and it looks like I was drying it so much that I've dried up all my glue on there, so we need to put a bit more under there. Yeah, that's better. Put a lid on that so it doesn't dry out. And that is my little nature page. I'm quite happy with it, except for that little boo-boo. So, oops, just split the... Right, and I'm going to put that in there like that. And I bought my lovely glue here. Just move that out to the edges. Like that. And then that is where we're going to go. And those are the birds going home to roost. I'm quite happy with that. And let me see here, we need a pen. I'll find a pen. Right, and the date today is the... can't see it on the... My eyesight is getting worse every day. Right, what is the date? The 8th of June. This is the eighth of the 6th month, 2021. Right, put that back on there. And I'm happy enough with that. I did put it up on here. I thought I'd written it down here, so I'm quite happy with that now that I've done that. So that is our second page in our Woolly Steph's Art Club journal prompts, and I'm quite happy. Thank you for being with me. Kia kaha, stay strong, and I'll catch you again soon.